So let's discuss about the differences that exist between the mass of an object and the weight of an object. First of all, you need to understand that I do not need gravity to measure my mass or to measure the mass of a substance. All I need to do is to add up the number of atoms and molecules. If I can simply add up all the numbers of atoms and molecules in that substance, that gives me exactly the mass of that substance. So here are the differences. Number one, mass is simply the amount of substance being packed together inside an object. That is the mass. But weight is the gravitational pull of the earth on an object. Number two, the mass of an object can never be zero, but the weight of an object can be zero, especially in outer space where gravity tends to be zero. This is simply because weight depends on gravity. You can calculate the weight of an object by simply multiplying its mass by the gravitational acceleration. So that means if the gravitational acceleration is zero in outer space, that means the weight tends to be zero because any number multiplied by zero will give you zero. So in outer space where gravity tends to be zero, the weights can be zero, but the mass can never be zero. Number three, mass has no direction. Mass is directionless. So because mass has no direction, mass is classified as a scalar quantity that has magnitude but no direction. But weight has direction. The weight of an object is always acting vertically downward. So because weight has direction, weight is classified as a vector quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Number four, mass is measured in kilograms, but weight is measured in Newton. Number five, mass is constant anywhere on the Earth's surface, but weight is not constant everywhere on the Earth's surface. The weight of an object depends on the value of gravitational acceleration in that space. Number six, mass is measured using an electronic or a beam balance. And of course, a beam balance operates on the principle of moments. But weight can be measured using a Newton meter or a spring balance. And of course, a spring balance operates on the principle of Hooke's law. So these are the differences between the mass of a substance and the weight of a substance. Thank you.